My name is Terry Holmes. I'm at Universal Technical Institute in DFW area. This is one of our trainers. This is our hydraulic power flow control trainer. This is where you'll learn about controls and flow of hydraulic fluid. You also will have your training schematics here, how to hook up your trainer and how to troubleshoot your trainer, and also how to navigate the whole control board. This is our pneumatic trainer. This is where you'll learn about pneumatics. You'll learn about pneumatics via manual and via automatic through a PLC program. This is where you'll learn all about the facets of airflow and how to direct airflow to each cylinder or each type of control vise. This is our process control system. This is where you'll take liquids and you'll move your liquids through the system. You'll also learn about alarms, control voltages for each valve. You'll also learn how to program and troubleshoot with the PID controller. This is what you'll learn in the Industrial Maintenance Technology program at Universal Technical Institute.